art friends, today we are going to draw a snowman cupcake.
Yeah, a cupcake with marshmallows on top that make the snowman. We hope you're going to follow along because it's going to be a lot of fun. You ready to start?
Yes.
We've seen these cupcakes online and they look really tasty. We should make them in real life, but for now we're just going to draw one. So let's start with the marshmallow on top, the one for the head. And I'm going to start by drawing the top of the marshmallow, and we're going to draw a squished circle. I'm going to go back over it and smooth it out. And it's okay if yours look different, right? They don't have to look exactly the same. The most important thing is
to have fun and practice.
Yeah. Now let's draw the side of the marshmallow coming down. I'm going to kind of draw it curved too so that the little marshmallow is round, more round. Yeah, and this one could come down a little more to match. And then let's draw the bottom of the marshmallow. We'll curve it around and connect to the other side. Yes, there's our first little marshmallow. Now let's draw the second one. And I'm going to turn my paper sideways. Sometimes that's a little easier. And we're going to draw the top of this one. This is a bigger marshmallow. Then we're going to draw the side of this marshmallow coming down further too. Oh, this is a giant marshmallow. This is one of those campfire marshmallows. They're so big you have to split them. Then we're going to draw the bottom of this marshmallow connecting to the other side. Okay, now we're ready to draw our cupcake. We're going to draw a curve coming down on the left and also a curve coming down on the right. And then this will make our marshmallow snowman look like it's melting, but we're going to draw the frosting, a wiggly line that comes all the way over to the other side. The next time I draw this, I would start with the marshmallow a little higher so that we have more room for the cupcake down here. But we'll keep going. It's okay. Now we're going to draw the cupcake, the top, and then we can draw a zigzag line. We're going to start here, and we're going to draw a zigzag line that connects over to the other side. This is for our cupcake wrapper. Then we can draw the wrapper coming towards the middle on both sides. And then we can draw a curve to connect those together, those two lines together. There we go. There's our main snowman cupcake shape, except we need all the details now. Let's start with the carrot nose. I'm going to start right here, and we'll draw a sideways letter V. Then we can connect the top down to the bottom. And then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle this size and the same size circle over here. And then let's draw a smaller circle inside for the highlight. And we can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. That part we sped up, so remember, if you need extra time, you can always pause the video. Now let's draw our little snowman's mouth. I'm going to draw a little... It's not going to be a smile. I made him crooked. That's okay. Then we can color in those circles. I should have made it a smile. Maybe one more right here.
A smile.
Kind of a smile. There we go. And then let's do candies for the buttons. Maybe these are M&Ms or gumdrops. And our friends could add even different decorations. You could add different candies, or you could add a scarf.
Yeah, the scarf could be made out of licorice.
Oh yeah, that would be perfect. Okay, now let's draw the arms. These could be pretzel sticks coming straight out on each side. So curved around and then back in. We need the little pieces of salt so that it looks more like a pretzel stick. So I'm going to draw little square shapes going down the stick, and we could draw them on the outside too. Let's add even more candies. I'm going to draw smaller circles, candies, going around the bottom. We need more decorations. Because our cupcakes it'll just be white for the snowman, and we can have little extra candies that we can color in to make it more colorful. Awesome, we did it. except we still need to.
Color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to use our drawings as inspiration. You can also color your drawings differently. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our snowman cupcakes and they turned out perfect. I especially love yours. That little face is super cute.
Thanks. I love yours too. The hat is awesome.
Ah, I added that. That's an extra little detail. It's a chocolate hat made out of Rolo, I think, and I don't know what this part is. Now, you can pause the video right now to match our coloring, or you could color yours differently.
You could also add more details like a hat or a scarf.
Yeah, and also a background would be really cool too.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a snowman cupcake.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.